Tutorial on creating fireworks animation using Scratch. I am kind of assuming that you're already aware of the interface of Scratch, and you know that we've got a variety of code blocks to do different things. This is our working interface workspace, and this is where your animation plays, and this is the place where you can actually add backdrops and characters to your animation. So today I'm going to be teaching you how to create fireworks animation, and so naturally I've chosen a night sky kind of a backdrop. You can actually go here and you can look for kind of a backdrop which is suitable to your animation. So I've chosen night sky. I also went to Google Images and I just randomly looked for some fireworks, and I liked a few designs and I chose one, but the problem was that the one that I liked was with the background. You can actually choose to download a transparent image from the internet, or if you like something which comes with a background and you want to remove the background so that it doesn't look odd in your animation, you can actually go to a website called remove.bg. You can upload the original image. The one that I used looked like this, and then when I removed the background I got this picture, so I downloaded this. The other thing that I need is a fireworks audio to be playing in the background when the fireworks are the animation is playing. So I went to this website called mixkit.co, which has a variety of different sound effects. You can just look for fireworks. You can play the sound to see if you like it or not, and if you do, then you just press the download button and the file will be saved in your downloads. Okay, so once you have the fireworks image and the audio, then you are actually ready to jump into Scratch and start playing with the fireworks. Okay, so first thing that I'm going to do is just go here, and just going back. I'm going to go here and you just don't have to press it, you just hover your mouse and just go to the upload sprite button. Okay, so when you click on upload sprite, you can actually get the fireworks.png image which is without the background, and you can actually use that in your animation. Now writing the code blocks is pretty straightforward. So I will first of all want my animation to be controlled by this green flag, and I am going to go to the events, and I'm going to say when this green flag is clicked. So initially when the green flag is clicked, which means when my animation starts running, I don't want this firework to be seen, right? So I'm going to go to the control and say just when this green flag is clicked, looks, right? So I don't want this animation to be there, so I'm just gonna have this, okay, hide. And then in the control you can say then wait for 2 seconds, okay, and then after that I want my animation to show, right? So I wanted to keep showing, like the animation should keep running all the time until I stop it. So I'm going to use the forever block here. Okay, so over here then I am going to show the animation. Okay, so here, okay, so it will be forever shown here, but I want it to now show at different random places, just like the real fireworks. Okay, so I'm going to go to the motion and I'm going to say that show the firework, this one, but then go to a random position. And at this point in time I also want to change its size, and I want to change its color so that it actually looks like a proper firework. Okay, so I'm going to go to the looks and I'm going to say change size by, but if I fix it to 10, 15, 20, then it's not going to be, it's not going to look natural. So I'm going to go to the operators and I am going to pick a random number between, let's say, 1 and 100 or something. Okay, yeah, I think I'm gonna go back here because I think I have a better idea to use set size. Yeah, this is better because it is going to actually scale down in terms of percentage. Okay, so if the original image is this size, it is going to go 20%, 30%, 100%, so it will have a reference image, right? So I'm using set size 2, and then in the operators I am going to pick a random size, which is, let's say, going to be 20% of the image to 80% of the, so it's always going to be scaled up and down, right? And then I am also gonna go to looks once again and set the color. Okay, and they set the color effect. So I wanted to change colors all the time, and I want to do this also randomly. So I'm not setting any value here. I'm going to go to the operators and I'm going to pick a random thing, and I'm going to say, okay, choose any colors between 1 to 255. These are the color codes. Okay, and after all of this is done, I want to just wait for, let's say, 2 seconds. Okay, so for 2 seconds this is going to happen, and after that I will again just hide this animation. Okay, one more thing that we are missing is audio, which we downloaded. So I'm going to go to the sound, and I am going to go to play sound, and over here I'm going to choose the one that I had downloaded. So this should be here, and I upload the sound, and my sound is here in my downloads. So I use this and I open, and this is going to be a part of my animation. So I go back to my code and I want to test my code and see if I want to make any changes or this is okay. So let's just click on the green flag, wait 2 seconds, and the animation is certainly there. Okay, audio is not playing, which is because I have forgotten to select it here. So now when I play it again, okay, it's saving my project. Okay, you have to just see, that the Scratch should be able to save your changes. And if I play it, so you can hear the sound, you can see that the colors will change, and after every 2 seconds it's going to show up at a random position. You can actually play with the timings out here. Okay, now this is just one fireworks. Okay, but I want different fireworks to appear at random positions. So what I'm going to do, very straightforward way, you just go here, right click and duplicate this. So duplicate it multiple times. Okay, like this. All right, and in every firework you can actually change the wait time. So the first one is going to show up after 2 seconds. The second one can show up after 3 seconds. The third one can show up after 4 seconds. The fourth one, let's say 5 seconds. This one, let's say, appears after 6 seconds. Until that, then it'll be hidden. So let me run the animation once again. So everything is hidden. This one is, so works pretty well. It's appearing at different positions, different sizes, different colors, and appearing, like actual fireworks. So I hope you enjoy this project, and that's about it. Thank you.